Are you dreaming of visiting the United Kingdom in this 2025? Whether it's London, Manchester, or Edinburgh, getting the UK visitor visa is your first step. But the application process can be confusing. If you miss a step, you risk rejection. In this video, I will walk you through the exact step to apply for the UK standard visitor visa, what documents you need, and how to increase your chances of approval. So stay with me till the end. Step 1 is understanding the UK visitor visa. The UK standard visitor visa is for people who want to visit the UK for tourism, visit the UK, visit family and friends in the UK, or attend conferences or business meetings, or also receive private medical treatment. It usually allows a stay of up to 6 months, but applying the wrong way can cost you money and time. And step 2, start your application online. Go to the official UK visa website, which is gov.uk/standard-visitor. Click on apply now, create an account, and start filling your personal information, so personal details. Here are what you will need. You will need your travel plans, that is the travel itinerary, personal informations, reasons for visiting, and also employment and financial details. And even if you don't have a fixed date, just provide a clear plan. Step 3, paying the visa application fee. You'll pay the visa application fee online with a credit or debit card. After the payment, you will then be directed to schedule your biometric appointment. And this brings us to step 4. Step 4 is booking your biometric appointment. After paying the visa application fee online, you'll be directed to the TSL contact or VFS global portal, depending on the country you are applying for. Depending on your country, and there you will need to upload your supporting documents, book your appointment, to give your fingerprints and photo, choose extra services if needed, such as document scanning or courier delivery. Step 5, prepare these supporting documents. To increase your chances of visa approval, you need to prepare the following documents: a valid international passport, complete application form, bank statement for the last 6 months, letter from an employer or school. And then also you need invitation letter, that is if you are visiting a friend or a family. Also, you need a travel itinerary and hotel booking. Proof of ties to your home country, also you need that. And the following documents, and these following documents are optional but can be helpful. That is travel insurance, proof of property and business ownership, also tax documents. Step 6, attending your biometric appointment. You need to go to the visa application center on your appointment day and take the following with you: your appointment confirmation paper, all your documents, and your international passports. They will take your fingerprints and your photo and also all your documents. After that, all you need to do is wait for either rejection or approval. And this brings us to step 7, the final step. What to do, what happens after submission. After submission, you will get the results in about 15 working days, but it varies. If your visa is approved, you will receive your passport with the visa sticker inside. If rejected, they will send you a refusal letter and explaining why your visa is being rejected. But your visa is being rejected, you don't have to worry. You can also reapply. After seeing the reasons in the refusal letter, you work towards the reason, fix the issues, and then reapply again. Now let me give you a bonus tips. Avoid these common mistakes, because many people get rejected because of these avoidable errors: incomplete or false information, weak financial proof, no clear travel plan, not showing a strong ties to home country. So always be honest, provide strong documentation, and show that you will return home. Show a strong ties to home country, and trust me, you will get your visa approved. And that's how you apply for a UK visitor visa in this 2025. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Explore Abroad for more visa and travel tips. Comment below if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one.